everyone, I'm Stacy Burrows and I'm here at etúHOME today, and I'm here to talk to you about our canister program. So I want you to look behind me, and if you can see this is a set of our white cylinder canisters with our ring top. And a lot of you have been putting questions on our website and asking quite a bit about them, so I'm going to kind of break it down for you in the next few minutes so that if it's something that interests you, you can actually purchase it for yourself at home. So what we're all trying to do is eat healthy. We want to try to eat organic. We want to feed our family in a healthy way. And when we do that at etúHOME, we believe that it's not only important about what you put in your bodies and what you serve your family, but what you serve your family on and what you store your food in. And to that end, we have developed a new canister program made of glass, because you may or may not know, but plastic is toxic and it really isn't something that you should store food in. It does leach its chemicals into the food over time. So it's just not something that we believe in when we're talking about elevating our or entertaining or elevating our lifestyle, or something that we think should be in our kitchens. So etúHOME, we're offering this incredible glass canister, and the glass is actually blown in Poland. It's a really, really wonderful, durable glass. It has a really nice edge, and it has multiple uses, which I will share with you shortly. But I just wanted to focus a bit on the glass and the importance of storing in your pantry in glass vessels. The other addition that's important to share is how our lids are made. So this is the lid this is what we call a ring top lid, by the way. And this is what fits on this medium canister, but I'm hoping you can see this. There's a very thick silicone gasket right here around the edge, and this gasket pops in and seals your food. So this is what keeps your food fresh, keeps your pasta fresh, keeps your granola crispy and crunchy, cookies that you bake, anything that you might use to put into these canisters, it will remain fresh and sealed with this gasket. So here are, I'm going to go ahead and show you our 4 sizes of what we call our cylinders. So we have a small, which is about 9 inches, and I'm just going to hold the ruler up here so you guys can kind of get an idea. The ring top, by the way, adds another 3 inches, and the ring is hand-forged steel, which is something that we think adds a really interesting sort of architectural element to the pieces. The medium size is almost 9 inches. The tall, which is great for lasagnas or pastas, or actually like you can bake cookies and stack them nicely running up against this. This is just over a foot. And then this one, the large one, is basically at 12 inches. So these are the 4 SKUs that we offer. And you can buy 3, you can buy 2, you can mix and match them any which way you like. And these come in the white, which is called our Bianca collection. We also offer the same collection in black, so I want to show you. Here's the black. A lot of people, if you're kind of a little bit edgy in your style, you might want to do mixed black and white. Here's another version of the black, and then here's the large black. So that's kind of what the black looks like, and then that's what the black and white kind of looks mixed together to give you an idea. So basically, that in a nutshell is our 4 cylinder canisters. And now I'm going to share with you our flat top canisters, which are quite versatile and can be used in many, many ways. So here is, let me reach over here, the small, which is really my personal favorite. This is just, to me, a great size. I think I have 12 of these in my pantry. I think I have all the colors, actually. This one, you can do nuts, you can do dried fruits, you can do spices, you can do salts. But this is just a great, great, easy size, easy to handle, easy to understand. Here I've got, pasta, you only use part of the box. Here I've got a little bit of pasta left in it. And what I want to show you is this is the medium, okay, and then this is the large size. And the wonderful thing about these is they also can go in your fridge. So if you made pasta salad, like if this was actually cooked for tossed pasta salad, and this was leftovers. I could use this as a leftovers, put it in my fridge, and then for lunch the next day, if I wanted to serve it, then I can actually put this out on the table, and it's a beautiful vessel to actually serve and again elevate your everyday. So I love these little ones. And then these are great to bake in as well. So this glass can go in the oven, it can go in the fridge. It can also go in the dishwasher. I don't recommend obviously putting the tall ones in, but this size I actually do put in my dishwasher. But if I were to have baked in this, and I do recommend you checking out our website. There's a wonderful video by Marcy Brazelton from Community Kitchen where she actually shows you how to prepare 3 different meals, from overnight oats to some sort of wonderful pasta dish that I'm dying to try that she made for her family. And then basically the vessel comes out of the oven and it goes straight onto your, this happens to be our classic trivet, which actually matches, I can actually show you this real quick, matches our lids, which I think is just brings your whole table together. But this can go on, your family can be served from it, and again, the leftovers can be sealed up, and the vessel can go straight into the refrigerator. So this is basically the gist of the program. I want to show you that the flat collection comes in white, it comes in our classic color, which is natural, and it also comes in black. And again, you can mix and match. So if you want to go white and black, you can. If you prefer white and natural, or if you just want to stick to one color theme throughout your house. I hope this helps. I hope you're ready to organize your pantry. I hope you're ready to go out and get some organic goodies to put inside these and enjoy. That's our canister collection.